12 minus 4 divided by 2. 12 minus 4 will give us 8. Then 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. In this expression, we only have a subtraction and a division. So we are going to work with our division first before subtraction because it comes first before subtraction. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Then we have 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.